Welcome to the Epoint Post tutorials. Today, we're going to learn the Received on Account function. Every store that frequently deals in cash employs some cash float money inside the cash drawer at the beginning of a shift or workday. How to get here? You may refer back my previous tutorial. Since the function not often to use, we normally map inside the Manager function page. Click the Manager function button. Hit the Receive on Account function. Key in the description for audit purpose. Float money amount as well. Click on OK button. Float money is in cash. Just hit the Cash button. You just did the Received on Account function. End of day at X and Z report is under our collection details. Our collection details is included these Receive on Account amount. Float money is not a sales revenue, that's why we will minus out from the collection. We do have setting to preset daily fixed float amount. You may skip these Received on Account function if you apply this setting. Enjoy learning. That's all for now. Be sure to check out with others tutorials. Remember to like, share and following us in Facebook. Thanks for watching.